How to change sensitivity on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change sensitivity on PUBG. Changing sensitivity on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the PUBG Mobile app on your mobile device. Go to Setting. Tap on the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the main screen. Select Sensitivity. In the setting menu, tap on Sensitivity on the left hand side. Adjust sensitivity setting. You can now adjust various sensitivity setting based on your preferences. Camera sensitivity. Control the speed of camera movement when looking around. Add sensitivity. Control the sensitivity when aiming down sights. Gyroscope sensitivity. If you use gyroscope controls, control the sensitivity for gyroscope aiming. Customize setting. Adjust each slider to increase or decrease sensitivity for different scopes. For example, no scope, red dot, 2-axis scope, 4-axis scope, etc. Save changes. After adjusting, simply exit the menu. The change will be saved automatically. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can change sensitivity on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.